This is called a cam walker. Some people will call it a walking boot or a post-op boot. Most commonly, it's called a cam walking or walking boot. This is used usually for patients that might have a fracture or sprained ankle or other things that are going on inside of their foot and ankle complex. These are a pre-made device, pretty simple to put on. They come in different sizes. Again, the orthotist will fit you correctly based off of your foot size and what they need to do. Sometimes they'll have to modify, cut this, adjust it, add straps, remove straps, etc. But we're going to kind of go over how to put this on and off correctly. First things first, you want to make sure you open this up. So there's a liner in here with Velcro. We want to make sure we open this all the way up so we can get your foot inside of here. We want to get your heel all the way back and down inside of the walking boot. We're going to demonstrate here on Josh. We want to make sure we get our heel all the way back down in there. And then right here, there's Velcro on either side. We want to overlap this and Velcro is shut first. And as you can see on this one, there's 4 chafes here. So we're going to take the straps. We're going to feed it through the chafes, pull it tight. We're going to Velcro these back onto themselves, like so. You want to make sure that these are pretty snug. And with this brace, you don't wear a shoe with it. It has a walking bottom on the bottom, and it's a rocker bottom. So the idea is obviously we're trying to keep your foot locked in this position. You're not getting any kind of motion here. So you're going to have to use the rocker bottom when walking. Again, pretty simple brace. As far as taking it on and off, slowly take it off, reverse the process, unvelcro these. I always tell patients, Velcro these back onto the straps, especially with this brace. It's real sticky, it'll stick to things. So if we Velcro on the straps, it's a little bit easier when you're going to put it back on. So do that with each strap here. Velcro them back on themselves. Then we open this up, top section, bottom section, slide our foot out. When you wear this, you want to make sure you're wearing a sock. We don't want to use this barefoot. It's going to get dirty, it's going to get lint, especially because it's got a sole on the bottom. You're going to be wearing this outside. You're not going to be using it with a shoe. But that's the simplest way of putting it on and off. And that's just, again, called cam walker or a walking boot.